All right, so my master bathroom is finally complete. And if you want to know how I was able to bring it back to life after a toilet mishap, stay tuned. Hey, good people. Welcome to Mommy Room Redo, a show created to help you moms design homes that you'll love and your kids will enjoy. In this video, I'm going to recap how I was able to redo my master bathroom after a toilet leak. Let's get started. All right, so if you've been following our family, then you know we moved in our home in July of 2020, and the master bathroom needed a complete rehaul. And that's exactly what we did. That master bathroom was gutted out from top to bottom, taking out all fixtures, lights, flooring, the vanity, the shower. Everything you can think of was redone except for the bathtub at that particular time. And in just 14 days, we were able to create a master bathroom that was absolutely stunning. And we tell you just how we did it in another video. But fast forward to 2023 and a toilet mishap causes us to have to redo this process all over again. And so here we are. I'm not going into detail about exactly what happened because we talk about it extensively in another video, as well as how we had to deal with the insurance company, the new contractors, and so forth. But if you can imagine, this process has been very frustrating. Even still, I think it was worth the wait. What do you think? The last time we ended up keeping the older tub. This time, because it got damaged, we had to replace it. And we ended up substituting it for this baby right here. I think it looks gorgeous. I got the idea of the step up from a picture I saw in the Lowe's catalog. What do you think about this? As you see here, we went with a different flooring. The last time we had the 24 by 24 Carrera, and it looks just like the smaller tile that we used to surround the freestanding tub. You can see that on your right. But I decided to go with a darker tone for the floor because I thought it would be easier to keep clean. Still going with the gray theme, still marble-like, but just slightly darker. Please note that we have the same vanity as well as the same vanity stool, but you'll notice that many of the bathroom accessories were switched out. We decided to go with the chrome finish to more align with the finish that's in the master bedroom. So everything has been pretty much transformed to chrome. So you'll see that the faucets are now chrome and those light fixtures have been switched out. They are chrome as well. Believe it or not, my favorite area in the master bathroom is my vanity section. I absolutely love this makeup mirror. Got it from Amazon. It's extra large, rechargeable, and it's double-sided. So when you flip it over, it magnifies by 7x. Another cool thing is that this makeup mirror is dimmable. There are 3 different settings that you can easily access with just one touch. So in case you didn't know, I absolutely love this mirror. And then I also like these 2 toothbrush holders, so you can put a toothbrush in it, a razor, or anything else that you need to be handy. So I love that. I have my lotion containers and my soap. I haven't found my favorite ones yet to fill these bottles, but I just love the way they look here. And then I special ordered that shelf. So I had a shelf before, but I wanted it to match the chrome finish. So I ordered these from Bed Bath & Beyond. So Bed Bath & Beyond is closed now, but sometimes you can still order some of their products. And so many of the items that I ordered were by this company called Anzi. And so I ordered these toothbrush holders, the shelf, and also the wall-mounted soap dishes. And like I said, this is my favorite area in the master bathroom. Switched up my folded towels, guys. Which ones do you like better? So these are my new ones, and these are the old. Made some changes over the tub as well. First of all, notice that towel bar, it's now a double bar, and the finish has changed. It's in chrome. And then please check out my folded towels. I actually made that design up. I haven't seen it exactly like this, and I think I'm going to start calling it the Mo Bow. So you are seeing it here. These are the Mo Bow towels. But what do you think? I love, love, love these. Here is the new, this is my new design, and here is the old. So it's not that old, but that was the design I used in my initial master bathroom redo. So guys, I really want to know what you think. Are you loving my new master bathroom as much as I do? Well, put your thoughts down in the comments. I'll check them out and we can continue the conversation down below. For tuning in, and please like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss a video. Take care.